and welcome to my YouTube channel. And as you can see, this is the Geek for Geeks page, and I purchased a new course that is driven by GFG. So we have a GFG 160 daily DSA problems. So yeah, I'm going to continue this, and we are going to learn the problem skills. So first uh, section is the arrays, and now I'm going to resume. Okay, so we jump on the first day one in in array section. So the problem is second largest. Okay, we will see what is the problem statement. So given an array of positive integers, add and return the second largest element from the array. If the second largest element doesn't exist, then return -1. Okay, and there is some note also. The second largest element should not be equal to the largest element. Okay, so basically it will be unique. Let's see the examples. The first example is given is an array, and that array contains the element 12, 35, 1, 10, 34, 1. Okay, so in this array, as we can see, 35 is the greatest element, and after 35 there is a 34, and 34 is the second largest element. So output will be 34. In the second example, we can see we have an array containing the elements 10, 5, 10, and we have a two elements as equal. So the first largest element will be 10 here, and after 10 there is only one remaining element, that is the 5. So 5 will be second largest. Okay, so and another we have another array containing only one three elements as uh, one type of element, like a 10, 10, 10, 10. So there is a no second elements, so we will return -1 as per the questions conditions. Okay, now let's jump to the solution, and I'm on the GFC interpreter, so we can I can what is how to what is the solution. Okay, so we can see in our array, the first array, 12, 35, 1, 10, 34, 1. So first of all we have a one solution, and one solution can be like we can sort this array after sorting in decreasing order or increasing order, and then after sorting this array, and we can have a we can get the second largest element by indexing. If we are sorting the array in increasing order, so we can find in indexing on back sides, and if we sort the array in a decreasing order, so we can use the index on front. Okay, so but we are not going to we are not going to solve this question by this way. I have another solutions also. So another solutions, let's say our largest element is the first element with on zero indexing. So in this case 12 will be zero indexing. Okay, and let's say second largest, we don't know the second largest, so we can consider second largest is the -1. Okay, because -1 is not containing the positive, as it mentioned in the our question, it is the positive integers array. So we are considering here -1, and -1 is a negative number. Okay, so we can apply the loop here. After traversing the array, we will compare, like if any of element is greater than the largest element, who that is, we suppose 12. If it is any element array is greater than our largest element, so the largest element we will update. Okay, so then again we will again traverse the array, and we will apply the condition. If array is not equal to largest element, and largest element, and the other element is will be greater than the second largest, and second largest in this case, in our case, we consider -1, so it will be the second largest. Okay, so we will find like this, we will update the second largest value for that value. Okay, let's jump to the solution. uh, I'm going to write the code. Okay, so list largest element is our the first element, and our first element, how can we find? That is array indexing 0. This is the way we can find the first element of the array. And let's say our second largest element, we are considering here -1, because in problem statement this is the given the positive integer, array containing the positive integers, so here I am considering the negative value. Okay, after getting this second largest, we will update this value. Now I'm going to take the traverse here. So for I in range function, and then len of array. Okay, if what will be the condition? If array of I is greater than largest element, we will update the largest element by this element. If any element we will found, then we will update it. Okay, so like this we can find the our largest value. Now we have to find the second largest value. So again we are going to take the traversal here for j in range len of array, and again what is the condition here? If array of uh, if array of j, sorry, if array of j is not equal to the largest element, because already we will find the largest value. Okay, so what is the condition? If array of j is not equal to largest and array of j will be greater than the second largest. Okay, second largest, then we will update that value by the second largest. Okay, second largest is equal to array of j. Now we have to return. Now we will get the solution. Now we have to return second largest. Let's compile and run the code. Okay, as we can see, it is compiled successfully, and we got the output also 34 and 34. So let's submit the code. If it is passed the all test cases, so our problem is our solution is the final solution. Okay, as we can see, all the test cases are passed 11 20. Okay, okay, thank you. Hope you understand the problem very well. Thank you so much for today. Bye bye.